Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting algebra question with us today. Let's see how to solve this. So we are given with two equations in terms of x and y here, this equation and this equation, and we need to find the product of xy. We are given with four answer options as well. So let's see how to solve this question. To solve this question, first of all, I'll be taking this equation. I'll be using this second equation and squaring both the sides. Okay, I'll be squaring both the sides. X minus y whole square is equals to 8 square. So what is the formula for algebraic identity? Algebraic identity for a minus b whole square. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab, correct? So I'll be using this identity. If I use this identity, I will get x square plus y square minus 2xy is equals to 64. If I simplify this, I will get x square plus y square is equals to 64 plus 2xy. Okay. So we will be using this later on. We will be using this equation later on. Okay. For the time being, what we will do, we will jump to this first equation. We will jump to this first equation and simplify this. So let's see how to simplify this first equation. So to simplify the first equation, I will bring this minus under root y by x on the left hand side. Okay. I will take this on the left hand side and this will become under root x by y plus under root y by x is equals to 10 by 3. Now, if you know how to solve the fractions, I mean, you know how to add the fractions, you can easily do this. What we need to do, we need to take the LCM first. If I take the LCM will be under root xy. Yes. Now, what will be the numerator? Numerator will be under root x times under root x plus under root y times under root y. This is equals to 10 by 3. If we simplify this further, we will get x plus y upon under root xy is equals to 10 by 3. Now, in the next step, we will square both the sides. If we square both the sides, numerator and denominator both will be squared. Okay, both will be squared. So if we square this, we will get x square plus y square plus 2xy. How I got this? Again, we are using the algebraic identity a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so let's come back to the solution. Denominator will be xy. Denominator will be xy. This is equals to 100 upon 9. In the next step, we will be simplifying this further. How? We will cross multiply. Correct? So let's simplify this. So if we cross multiply this, we will get 9x square plus 9y square plus 18xy is equals to 100xy. Now, in the next step, I will take 9 common and we will be left with x square plus y square. This is equals to 100xy minus 18xy. I will take this 18xy on the right hand side. This will give me 82xy. Okay. Now, what we will do? As I told you, we will be using this in the later part. So, now I'll be substituting the value of x square plus y square as 64 plus 2xy. Yes. So if we substitute this, we will get 9 times 64 plus 2xy. This is equals to 82xy. If we open the bracket, expand the bracket, we will get 9 times 64 plus 18xy is equals to 82xy. Correct. In the next step, we will simplify further. 9 times 64 is equals to, we will take this 18 on the right hand side, we will get 64xy. As you can see clearly, this 64 can be cancelled cancelled easily. Okay. And we will be left with xy is equals to 9. We will be left with xy equals to 9. That's what we need to find out. Yes. So is there any answer option like that? Yes. D option matches our answer. I hope you understood it well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.